Hello everybody, welcome back. So as always, we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Instagram music no result found. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, I'm simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, the things that you can look out for is that if you go to your Instagram and you go to your home section, and if you go to this plus icon on top, you're trying to upload a story for yourself, you need a music, you go to this music section and you're gonna try to search for yourself a music. You see your friends putting on the same music, but you cannot seem to find them. One thing could be that it's not available in your region, that it's available in your friend's region if it's not in your region. For that, you're gonna go ahead and go to your Play Store and simply install a VPN for you and change your region's location for the time being while you're using that music, and simply go ahead and then change it and use it like that. Then you will be able to find that particular song that is in you, that will be available in that region. Other thing would be simply going back and reinstalling your app if it's working on your friends in the same region they did it, and if it's not on yours, simply reinstall your app, clear out all of the data, and again sign in, and that will be done. This is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and this I will be seeing you guys in our next video.